What's up guys, Dev here. So I just wanted to give everyone an update on where I'm at for my journey to becoming a freelance front-end web developer. So over the weekend I made some good ground in a course that I'm doing on Skillshare. The course is about WordPress. So far I've learned how to create a WordPress website from a theme template, and I'm currently about halfway in creating a blog. So I guess thoughts on WordPress. I can see why it is the most popular platform for creating websites. It's got a really good content management system that you can leave with clients and that sort of thing. I guess you don't really need any coding ability really. I think what does come in handy is understanding the language behind a website. So understanding what normally would go in a header, and in the footer and in the body content and that sort of thing. I do understand that there is a custom CSS function as well, which is pretty good. And part of the course as well is learning how to create your own customized themes. So I'm looking forward to that. So you get a lot of haters on WordPress, and I can kind of see why. I remember this YouTube advertisement that said using WordPress is like carving a frozen turkey with a hacksaw or something like that. But to be fair, I understand why a lot of people use WordPress and how it can be quite lucrative for web development. So I'm looking forward to learning WordPress and applying that to my friend's bread blog. So that's going to be a good experience for myself. And then the ultimate goal is once I complete the WordPress course, I will sign up to freelance websites and see what kind of work I can get. I also wanted to allude you to something new that I've found. So on Instagram, I started following a group called Coding Masters, and they've got this app that you can download called Telegram. And the cool thing with Telegram is that all of the handy tips and handy information that they share on their Facebook, they also provide links and files and that sort of thing through this app called Telegram. So Telegram is like a text messaging service for communication and files and documents and that sort of thing. So by following this group, they actually send through a lot of handy guides that I've been reading and articles and stuff like that. So it's a really good way to learn some creative ways behind web development, as well as some technical aspects of JavaScript and know-hows and that sort of thing. So I would highly recommend the Telegram from Coding Masters, and here is just a sample of what it looks like. Super handy, lots of information.